Hey everyone, welcome back to the family here at Clarity English Practice Channel. If you've ever wanted to just relax and talk about daily life in English, you have definitely come to the right place. Today isn't just a lesson, we are bringing you some real conversation practice for beginners that is easy, fun, and honestly, just a good time. I'm Jessica.
And hey, I'm David. It's genuinely great to be back here with you, Jessica, and with all our listeners for another chill session of English listening practice.
It is so good to see you, David. Since this is a video on easy introductions for beginners, let's keep it real. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I am very good, thank you. I had a really nice, slow morning. What about you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. My morning was good too. Very quiet, just coffee and peace.
A quiet morning is a good morning. In this busy world, it's so important to have a calm daily routine.
It really is. But speaking of my morning, that moment is gone. It's in the past. And that is exactly our vibe for today. We are going to learn English by talking about your day. Past tense made easy.
Oh, I love that topic, the past. It's all about storytelling, talking about things that happened before right now, using the simple past tense.
Exactly, like what you did yesterday or last week or even just this morning. If you want to learn how to talk about yourself in English and share your story, mastering the past is key for real conversation.
Totally. But before we time travel to the past, let's talk about the present for just 1 second.
Good idea. To all our fantastic listeners, if you enjoy these relaxed English podcast-style lessons, please take a moment to hit that like button. It means the world to us.
And please join the squad and subscribe to Clarity English Practice Channel. This is the best place for A1, A2 English learners to feel at home. Share this episode with your friends and family. It helps us grow so much.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. Okay, David, are you ready to level up your grammar so you can talk about your day effectively?
I was born ready. So, the past. When we talk about something that is finished, we use special words to paint that picture.
That's right. Let's start with a very simple but powerful word, was.
Was, yes, it comes from is. So right now, today, I am happy. But looking back, yesterday, I was happy.
Perfect example. Am and is changed to was. So I can say, today the weather is sunny. But what about yesterday, David?
Yesterday the weather was cloudy.
I see. So is for the now, was for the memory. What about a place? For example, where were you yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening. I was at home, just chilling.
At home. Nice. And what about me? I can say, I was at the supermarket yesterday.
At the supermarket. Okay, so you can say I'm at the supermarket for right now, and I was at the supermarket for yesterday.
Yes, exactly. It's actually pretty simple, right? We just change the word. This is the secret key for A1, A2 beginner students.
It is simple. But wait, what about are? You were here today. What about yesterday?
Good question. Are changes to were. So you were here yesterday too.
Were. W-E-R-E. Were.
Yes. So we are happy today and we were happy yesterday.
I get it. Am and is become was. Are becomes were.
You got it. Let's try some English speaking practice conversation. David, where were you last Saturday?
Last Saturday, I was at Central Park.
Oh, nice. Was it fun?
Yes, it was fun. The park was beautiful. Many people were there. The vibe was great.
Oh, that's great. Many people were there. Perfect use of were.
Thank you. So Jessica turned to tables. What about you? Where were you last weekend?
Last weekend, I visited my family, so I was at my parents' house.
That's lovely. Were your parents happy to see you?
Yes, they were very happy. We were all together. It was such a wonderful day.
That sounds so nice. Honestly, family time is the best time.
It really is. So listeners, was and were are for describing feelings, states, or locations in the past. I was tired, you were at the cinema, the food was good.
Okay, that is great for to be, but what about actions? Things we actually do, like walk or talk or cook.
Ah, yes, the action words. For many verbs in English, we just add a little ed at the end to talk about the past.
ED. So walk becomes walked.
Exactly. So today I walk in the park. Yesterday I walked in the park. See? Simple.
Yes, okay. So today I talked to Jessica. Yesterday I talked to my friend on the phone.
Perfect. You are a natural, David.
This is fun. Okay, another one. Watch. Like I watch TV in the evening.
Yes. So for yesterday, you would say,
I watched TV last night.
good job. What did you watch?
I watched a movie. It was a comedy.
Oh, fun. Did you laugh?
Yes, I laughed a lot. Ah, see what I did there? Laugh becomes laughed.
Yes, you are discovering the secret. So many words just need ed. Cook becomes cooked, clean becomes cleaned, play becomes played.
Okay, let me try a little story. Yesterday morning, I walked to the cafe. I listened to music on my headphones.
That's great. Listened. Perfect. What happened at the cafe?
I waited in line. Then I ordered a coffee.
Waited. Ordered. Yes, very good.
Thank you. This ED rule is very useful if you want to speak English fluently and sound natural. So, Jessica, what did you do last night?
Last night, let me think. I cooked dinner for my friend.
Ah, that's kind of you. What did you cook?
I cooked chicken and vegetables. My friend liked it a lot.
Liked. Another ED word. That's fantastic. It seems easy.
It is. With practice, it becomes very natural. But there is a small challenge.
Oh, a challenge? Bring it on. I like challenges.
I know you do. Some verbs are special. They're the rebels, irregular verbs. They don't use ed.
Irregular verbs. So they change in a different way?
Yes, they change completely. For example, the verb go. Today, I go to work. We don't say goed.
Goed sounds a little funny, right? So what is the past of go?
The past of go is went.
Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Okay, so yesterday I went to work.
Exactly. Let me ask you, where did you go last summer?
Ooh, last summer I went to Malibu Beach.
Malibu Beach. Wonderful. I also went to the beach last year.
It's such a popular place. Okay, so go becomes went. What is another common irregular verb?
A very common one is eat. Today, I eat an apple. Yesterday,
Not eated, maybe ate?
yes, you got it. Ate. A-T-E. Yesterday, I ate an apple.
Fantastic. Okay, so last night you cooked dinner. Did you eat with your friend?
Yes, we ate together. We ate the chicken and vegetables.
That's nice. And I can say, for breakfast today, I ate toast.
Perfect. So let's connect them. Last Saturday, you went to Central Park. What did you eat in the park?
I ate a sandwich. I also drank water. Oh, wait, is drink irregular too?
It is. What do you think the past of drink is?
Drank?
Yes. Wow, David, you are so good at this.
Thank you, Jessica. So go becomes went, eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank. This is like a fun puzzle.
It is. Another one is see. Today, I see a bird. Yesterday, I saw a bird.
Saw, S-A-W. Okay, so at the park, I saw many dogs. They were playing.
That sounds cute. And at the cinema, you saw a comedy movie.
Yes, I saw a very funny movie. What about you, Jessica? What did you see on your last holiday?
On my last holiday, I went to a small town in Vermont. I stayed in a small hotel. The hotel was very old, but very nice. It had that vintage charm.
Went, stayed, was. Great start. What did you and your sister do?
Every morning, we walked in the Green Mountains. The weather was beautiful. We saw many sheep and cows.
That sounds very relaxing.
It was. In the afternoons, we visited the small shops in the town. I bought some local Vermont cheese.
You bought cheese. I bet it was delicious.
It was amazing. We ate it with bread for lunch. We also drank fresh juice.
That sounds like a perfect holiday lunch. ate and drank. Nice.
In the evenings, we were usually tired, so we read our books. Oh, read. This one is tricky in English pronunciation.
Tricky. How?
The spelling is the same, R-E-A-D, but the sound is different. Today I read, yesterday I read, like the color red.
Ah, so that is a tricky one. So I read a book last night.
Exactly. So we read our books and listened to the quiet sounds of the countryside. We had a wonderful time.
Your holiday sounds amazing, Jessica. So peaceful. And your story was a great example of how to speak English about the past.
Thank you, David. The key is just to remember which verbs are regular, with ed, and which are irregular, like went or saw.
And it's okay if we make mistakes, right? People will still understand.
Absolutely. Making mistakes is part of learning a new language. The most important thing is to try, to talk, to connect.
So if a listener wants to talk about their day, they can say, I woke up. Awake is woke. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I worked hard. I talked to my colleagues. I came home. Come is came.
Yes, you are finding more irregular verbs examples. Wake, woke, come, came. That's brilliant. You just described a whole day in the past.
It feels good. It feels like I can really share my experiences now.
That's the goal, so you can tell your friends or family what you did last weekend or last month.
Let's review the main common irregular verbs we talked about. Go to went, eat to ate, see to saw, have to had, drink to drank, take to took, buy to bought, come to came.
That is a fantastic list, David. And for most other action words, just add ed, walked, played, watched, cooked.
And don't forget was and were. I was happy, they were at home.
Exactly. Wow, David, we covered a lot today. I feel like our listeners have some great tools now to speak English confidently about the past.
I think so too. It was a very helpful conversation. I learned a lot myself.
Me too. It's always good to practice.
Well, our time for today is almost finished. That went by fast.
It really did. So to all our amazing listeners, now it's your turn for some interactive English practice.
Yes, we have a question for you, and we would love for you to answer in the comments below.
The question is, what did you do last weekend?
You can write something simple. I went to the park, or I watched a movie, or I ate pizza with my family.
Yes, tell us a little about your past weekend. We love reading your comments and seeing you practice English writing.
And hey, seriously, don't forget to subscribe to Clarity English Practice channel so you don't miss our next episode. And please share this podcast with anyone who's learning English online.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you for hanging out with us today.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun talking about the past with you. Don't be a stranger. See you next time. Goodbye for now.
Bye.